friends. This is Study IAS Academy. This is Dr. Arasu. Today we are going to discuss about this year, current year 2020 prelims examination question paper 1, one detailed analysis of answer keys for that for this paper 1 question. Go through this is C type question. The first question is, what is the advantages of fertigation in agriculture? Select the correct answers using the code given below. The answer is C. Answer C, 1, 3, 4 is correct. Then question 2. Consider the following. In India, which of the above is officially designated as a major mineral? Option D is correct for 2. D for Delhi, 2, 3, 4. Option chromite, kyanite, selemonite are correct. 2, 3, 4 are correct. Go to the next question. With reference to ocean mean temperature OMT, which of the following statement is correct? Select the correct answer using the code given below. Option B, 2 is correct. OMT, ocean mean temperature, collected during January to March, can be used in assessing whether the amount of rainfall in monsoon will be less or more than a certain long-term mean. So option B, 2 is the right answer. B means Bombay. Okay, B, Bombay. Fourth question. With reference to chemical fertilizers in India, consider the following statement. Which of the statement given above is correct? Option B is correct, 1 and 2. Option 1 and 2 are correct. What is that? At a present, the retail price of chemical fertilizer is market driven and not administered by the government. Second option, ammonia, which is an input of urea, is produced from natural gas. So option B for Bombay is correct. Option B is correct. Go to the next question. Next one, fifth question. With reference to Indian Desert National Park, which of the following statements are correct? Select the correct answers using the code given below. Answer is C, 1 and 3. It is spread over 2 districts. It is one of the natural habitat of Great Indian Bustard. Okay, option C is correct, 1 and 3. Okay, then go to the sixth question. This is the C type question. Siachen Glacier is situated to north of Nubra Valley. North of the Nubra Valley. Okay. Go to the next question, seventh question. With reference to the history of India, consider the following pairs. Famous place, present state. Bilsha, Madhya Pradesh. Dwarasa Mudra, Maharashtra. Is the correct answer, 1 and 3. Girnagar, Gujarat. Sateshwara, Uttar Pradesh. Which of the pair given above are correctly matched? Option A, 1 and 3 are correctly matched. Bilsha, Madhya Pradesh and Girnagar, Gujarat is the correct answer. My answer key is 100% right answer. I referred so many classes answer keys, academics answer keys and NCERT books. Then to the net, I referred so many books for this answer key. So don't get negative things. Okay. Option A, 1 and 3 are correct. Bilsha and Girnagar Bilsha in Madhya Pradesh, Girnagar in Gujarat. Next question, go to the next question. Consider the following statement. Consider the following statement. Uh, which of the statement given above is correct? Statement B, option B is correct. Statement 2 and 3 are correct. 2 and 3. CCWA. CCWA means Central Groundwater Authority. Was founded under the Environmental Protection Act. Okay. India is the largest area under groundwater irrigation in the world. So option 8 questions. Option B for Bombay is correct. 2 and 3 are correct. Go to the next question. Ninth question. Consider the following statement. Jet streams occurs in the northern hemisphere. Only some cyclones develop an eye. The temperature inside the eyes of a cyclone is nearly 10 degree centigrade lesser than that of the surrounding. Which of the statement given above is correct? Statement C. Option C is correct. C for Chennai. C is correct. Statement 2 only correct. Only some cyclones develop an eye. Okay. Go to the next question. Sorry. Among the following tiger reserves, which one has the largest area under critical tiger habitat? It is very simple question. Critical tiger habitat. There are so many tiger habitats in India, but critical tiger habitats, it is a current related news. Nagarjuna Sagar and Sri Sailam. It is presented in Andhra Pradesh. Okay. The correct option is C. C for Chennai. In 10th question, C for Chennai, Nagarjuna Sagar and Sri Sailam is the correct answer. Go to the 11th question. If a particular plant species is placed under Scheduled 6th of the Wildlife Protection Act 1972, what is the implication? It is the direct question. Answer is A. Option A. A lichen is required to cultivate that planet. A lichen is required to cultivate that planet. Okay. Option A is correct. Then 12th question. With a reference to the period of Gupta dynasty in ancient India, the towns Kantasala, Kudra and Chaul were well known as Kantasala, Gudra and Chaul were well known as port handling foreign trades. Okay, it is a port for trading. Okay, port handling foreign trades. Okay, then go to the next question. Question number 13th. Friends, this is the C type question. Again, I mentioned that question pattern C type. This is the C type question. What is the 13th question? What is the advantages of the zero tillage in agriculture? Option D is correct. Select the correct answers using the code given below. 3 options are correct. 1, 2, 3 are correct. Option D. Okay. This is a simple question. No problem. Go to the next question of question number 14. According to the Indian national policy on biofuels, which of the following can be used as a raw material for the production of biofuels? Select the correct answers using the code given below. Cashew, damaged wheat grains, groundnut seeds, horse gram, rotten potato, sugar beet. For this, 1, 2, 5, 6 are correct. The 4 and 5th, horse gram and rotten potatoes are not used in biofuels. Okay. Now, option A is correct. Next question. Which one of the following statement best describes the term social cost of carbon? Social cost of carbon. It measures in a monetary value of the option A. It is a direct question. Long-term damage done by the tons of CO2 emission in a given year. Okay, long term use means long term damage done by a tons of CO2 emission in a given years. Okay, option question number 15th, option A. Option A means Agra. Okay, A refers to Agra. A is correct. Next question, with reference to pulse production in India, consider the following statement. Which of the statement given above is correct? Option A. Option A, one only. Black gram can be cultivated as both Garif and Robi crop. Okay, black grams can be cultivated as both Garif and Robi crop. Okay. Go to the next question, 17th. The carp is subtropical in nature. A hard forest is injurious to it. It requires at least 110 forest free days and 50 to 100 centimeters of rainfall for its growth. A light, well drained soil capsule capable of retaining moisture is ideally suited for the cultivation of the carp. Which one of the following is that carp? Very simple question. It is a cotton. Okay, cotton. With next question 18, with reference to solar water pumps, consider the following statement. Solar water pumps, consider the following statement. Uh, Solar power can be used for running surface pumps and not for the submersible pump. Solar power can be used for a running centrifugal pumps and not the ones with piston. Which of the statement given above is correct? Option B and C. I don't know that correct answer for this question. If you know means, could you please to inform me, comment me. Okay, option C. I think option C is the correct answer. Okay, both 1 and 2. Next question, with reference to the current trade in cultivation of sugarcane in India, consider the following statement. Which of the statement given above is correct? Option C is correct. 1 and 4 is correct. Yes, sustainable saving in seed materials is made when bed chips settling are raised in a nursery and transplanted in the main field. Option 4, sugarcane can be cultivated using settling prepared from tissue culture. Okay, there are two methods of cultivating measures. These are 1 and 4th. Okay, next question, 20th question. In the context of India, which one of the following is considered to be practiced of the eco-friendly agriculture? Select the correct answers using the code given below. It is a very huge question. The answer is option D, D for Delhi. 1, 2, 3, 4 are correct. Crop diversification, legume intensification, tensometer use, vertical farming. It is a very difficult moderate question. Okay, option D is correct. Okay, don't try to uh, answer to this question. Okay, in exams. With the next question, 21st, with reference to cultural history of India, consider the following pairs. Which of the pairs given above is correctly matched? 1 and 3 are correctly matched. Pariva Rajaka, renounced and Vander. Ubashaka, lay follower of Buddhism. Okay, Ubashaka. Option B, B for Bombay. 1 and 3 are correct. These questions are directly coming from NCERT books. Okay, so don't get afraid from this. Don't get fear in the like that in that questions. Okay, with reference to Indian elephant, consider the following statement. Indian elephants. Option is, it is a very simple question. Which of the statement given above is correct? 1 and 2 are correct. I think the leaders of the elephant group is a female. See, whenever a group of elephants is there, the female, one uh, old age female elephant is the leader of the group. Okay, then the maximum gestation period can be 22 month. Okay, it is correct. Then 1 and 2 are correct. Other options are third, 3 and 4 and all, it is wrong. See that third option, an elephant can normally go on climbing till the age of the 40 years only. No, that elephant can, that lifespan of the elephant is above 40 60 years and all, 50 60 years and all. Okay, then go to the 23rd question. Which of the following protected areas are located in Kaveri basins? There are Nagarhole National Park, Satyamangalam Tiger Reserve, this is in Tamil Nadu, Wayanad Wildlife Sanitary, this is in Kerala, I think, Nagarhole, this is in Karnataka. Option C is correct. 1, 3 and 4 are correct. Okay. Today we are going to discuss only first 25th questions only, 25 questions only. Then 24th questions with reference to India's biodiversity, cyclone for frogmouth, அதாவது காப்பர் ஸ்மித், barbet, Gary chinned, minivet and white-throated redstart, or this is under birds nature. Okay, which one of the following protected areas is well known for the conservation of a subspecies of the Indian swamp deer, Barasinga, that thrives well on hot ground and is exclusively gramivorous? Okay, Kanha National Park. Okay, friends, today we are discussing about first 25th questions of the prelims paper 1. Next question we will discuss the remaining questions. Please to subscribe my channel and give a good comments. Thank you.